Today we're going to be talking about how you can make money with Microsoft Power BI. In particular, how you can build a standard dashboard and sell it. Welcome back to my video series where I'm currently studying for the DP 600 exam. I'm currently making a video a day for each topic on the study guide and trying to make them entertaining and informative along the way. Today we're going to be talking about Power BI template files, which is a way that you can standardize your Power BI report so it takes inputs and then builds out your dashboard or your report. Now, what you can do with these to make money is you can build a Power BI template file for a common system, like for example, QuickBooks or Workday or Salesforce, and then you can save it as a Power BI template file and then sell that template file to potential customers. So QuickBooks is an example of a program that many small businesses have and struggle to process data out of. There are plenty of companies that right now are actually selling out Power BI template files that are pre-built for QuickBooks. So today I'm going to be showing you how to create one of those Power BI template files with just a quick demo. So let's go ahead and let's jump into my computer. All right, so the first thing that I am going to do is I'm going to go and I'm going to open up Power BI. So here I am in Power BI. All right, now that we're in Power BI, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to create a blank report. And I'm going to go into Power Query by going into Transform Data and then Transform Data. Right in here, first things first, I'm going to create a new parameter. So I'm going to go here to Manage Parameters and then click here for New Parameter. I'm going to title this new parameter File Path. And I'm going to say that this has got to be a string. So I'm going to go right here and I'm going to set this to text. Then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click OK, and it's going to need a current value. Right now, my current file is going to be CSV that I have on my desktop. So let me go ahead and let me get that CSV ready. All right, so I'm going to go and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to paste this path right here and then paste my CSV file right here. Okay, I now have a parameter with a file path to a CSV. Then I'm going to go into New Source, Text and CSV. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to select, for example, that same CSV right here. I'm going to go OK. And then I'm going to double click in here to source, and I'm going to switch it from file path to parameter. Okay, so now that it's set to my parameter file path, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click OK, and then I'm going to click Close and Apply. Once this is done, I'll have a data model with a parameter and my text, my query saved right here. And then I can go right here and I can go File, Save As, and then I can switch this down to a Power BI template file. And I can save this as, template file. Okay, and it won't like spaces, so I'll go ahead and I'll remove that and save this in desktop. All right, and I can give this a description. So I can give this a description of my video Power BI demo template file. Okay, and I can go ahead and I can click OK. All right, so you might be wondering, well, what's the value in this? To put it simply, the value in this is that I just saved a file on my desktop that is saved without data, that when I then go ahead and I open it up, prompts me for that parameter. So like if I let this open, you'll see it'll prompt me for my parameter, so that way it can refresh the data model. So how can you use this to make money? Well, one of the things I've done in the past is I've built a report for QuickBooks. Once you've built a report for QuickBooks, you can then go ahead and you can sell that to other small business owners. And you could create a file parameter like we just did for our CSV for their QuickBooks connection. And it's great for them because they get more advanced Power BI functionality in a beautiful report without having to hire a developer. And it's great for you because you get to create resellable, reusable assets that can continue to drive income. All right. Thanks for watching. I hope you might have learned something, or maybe I gave you a new small business idea. If you're interested in seeing videos like this, please subscribe and give the video a thumbs up.